let's talk about Tamil Nadu and COVID deaths in Tamil Nadu. Most patients in the ICU are unvaccinated, says the dean of a leading government hospital in Chennai. Also, data released by the State Health Department shows that out of a total of 191 deaths due to COVID from January 1st to 15th in Tamil Nadu, 68.5% occurred among people who were not vaccinated or were partially vaccinated. Mirror reporter Mugilan spoke to the dean of the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital in Chennai. Listen in.
I made rounds in the exclusively ICU ward, where there are 31 patients are there. Out of 31, 18 are in ICU. That is, we got a two high dependence unit and ICU unit. In the ICU unit, there are 18 patients are there. Out of 18, 2 have taken the vaccines. 2 doses they completed. The remaining all have not even taken a single dose. They are in a very critical state. They are in HFNC, CPAP, and high mode of ventilation. They require now.
All right, let's in fact move on here to talk about Chennai schools. In fact, amid the surge of COVID cases in the state, in Tamil Nadu, schools will remain closed until the 31st January for classes 10 to 12. Earlier in the state, the government announced classes for 1 to 8 would also be closed as well. This, as the Tamil Nadu Health Minister claims that 100% government school students between 15 to 18 are vaccinated with the first dose of COVID vaccine, and overall 76% of teens have been inoculated in the state as well.
What we are learning from the Tamil Nadu Health Minister is that 100% of the beneficiaries who are studying in the government schools are now vaccinated at least with 1 dose, is what we are hearing from the Tamil Nadu state government. And we have seen the Chief Minister, he himself inaugurated the drive for 15 to 18 age category in government school. So now almost all, that is 100% of the government school students in the 15 to 18 age category are now vaccinated. And the Health Minister also says now they are in the process of identifying the beneficiaries who have missed the vaccination in the ITI, polytechnic institutions and in the private schools, is what we could hear from the Health Minister. So far in Tamil Nadu, 76% of this 15 to 18 age category beneficiaries has been vaccinated. Apart from the students and the 15 to 18 age category who are in educational institutes, the other people who are not into educational institute, the government have started preparing a list of those students also, those age category beneficiaries also from the revenue department. So once that list is ready,